Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver Educations. So finally MCA CET 2023 application form filling start हो चुका है with regards to the cap round process. So जितने भी students wait कर रहे थे, yes guys application form की registration start हो चुकी है for the cap round. So yes guys, step by step हम form filling करेंगे and we'll understand all of the steps. Also guys, इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में we have covered all the guidelines with regards to the admission process, so make sure कि आप वो वीडियो भी एक बार चेकआउट कर लो. So let's start with the form filling. So yes guys, आपको सबसे पहले CET सेल की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे आ जाना है. यू कैन सी MCA. यहाँ पर आपको एक न्यू ब्लिंक करता हुआ दिख रहा है गाइज. ये अब this is because they have started with the registration and this is a recent update, so we'll click here and here you can see new candidate registration. Also guys, for the admission notice, if you all want to check out, you all have to click over here on downloads and here you can see admission notice for MCA for academic year 23-24. So yes guys, इस पर इन डिटेल हमने वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाया है, सो मेक श्योर कि वो वीडियो भी एक बार आप चेकआउट कर लो एंड मेक श्योर टू रीड दिस एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट ट्वाइस और थ्राइस बिफोर फॉर्म फिलिंग. ऑल्सो गाइज, विद रिगार्ड्स टू द फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर, अभी तक लिस्ट अपडेट नहीं की गई है. दे हैव जस्ट मेड द पोर्टल रेडी, बट स्टिल काफ़ी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी भी इसमें ऐड होनी बाकी है. पोर्टल कम्प्लीटली रेडी नहीं हुआ है. सो यस गाइज, यू ऑल हैव टू वेट फॉर द लिस्ट ऑफ फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर. एज यू ऑल कैन सी राइट नाउ देयर इज नो लिस्ट अपडेटेड. सो यस, अगेन you all have to wait for this. So we'll start with the form filling first. So again, there are some important instructions for login. Here it says use your application ID and password to login. After login, for security reasons you may change your password. Yes guys, again आपको password भी change करना होगा, but after changing your password make sure कि आप अपने क्रेडेंशियल्स नोट डाउन करके याद कर लो कि आपने कहाँ पे आपने नोट डाउन किया है, बिकॉज आपके क्रेडेंशियल्स आपके बहुत काम आने वाले हैं टिल द कैप राउंड प्रोसेस. सो येस, द चेंज पासवर्ड विल बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर फर्दर एडमिशन प्रोसेस, दैट इज ऑप्शन फॉर्म फिलिंग, मेरिट डिस्प्ले एक्सेट्रा, लॉगिंग इनटू द सिस्टम. सो येस, मेक श्योर कि आप अपने क्रेडेंशियल्स कहीं पे नोट डाउन करके रख लो जो आपको याद रहे. But in case if you all have forgotten your password, if you tend to forget your password, you all can retrieve your password through forget password link in the bottom. Make sure you log out of your session properly after you have completed your activity, after the form filling and after all the process. Also guys, यहाँ पे हम देख लेते हैं कि कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस कैसे होने वाला है. काफ़ी सिंपल प्रोसेस है गाइज. सो येस, here you can see first candidate registration means you have to register yourself and then you will have to log in with the new password which you have created. Then you all have to fill the type of candidate, type details, आपकी कैटेगरी डिटेल्स, क्वालिफिकेशन डिटेल्स ऐड करनी है, आपको पर्सनल डिटेल्स ऐड करनी है, फोटो एंड सिग्नेचर अपलोड करना है, पेमेंट करनी है एंड एप्लीकेशन प्रिंट करना है. एंड देन यू ऑल हैव टू विजिट द फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर, और इफ़ यू हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर द ई-स्क्रूटिनी मोड, आप ऑनलाइन आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेरीफाई करवा सकते हो. सो यस गाइस, काफ़ी सिंपल प्रोसेस है. सो विल सी स्टेप बाय स्टेप हाउ टू फिल द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. बट बिफोर दैट गाइस, मेक श्योर यू रीड द information brochure carefully. Make sure you have all the supporting documents available with you while form filling. Before you submit your CAP application and confirm your CAP application by the facilitation center, make sure you verify your name, your category, your gender, photo, signature, your marks, name on the mark sheet, as well as any additional information such as the status of EWS etc. So make sure आपके एंड से भी एक बार वेरीफाई कर लो सारा डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने से पहले. And also keep checking daily SMS messages on your registered mobile number. Log into your account and read messages also, because you all will be getting all the important updates over there. Also make sure to check the CET Cell official website daily for the latest notifications. Make sure to check the important dates of various activities and complete the activities according to the schedule. So yes guys, they have also released the start date and the end date of the application. अगर आप वो देखना चाहते हो, so guys you all have to check out the admission notice. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो guys, dates clearly mention है. Starting date is 26th of June 2023 and last date is 5th of July 2023 up to 5 PM. This might change guys due to some unavoidable reason, but as of now ये dates declare की गई है guys. And for the document verification, starting date is 26 June 2023 and last date is 6th July 2023 up to 5 PM. Make sure guys आप ये document properly read कर लो फॉर्म फिल करने से पहले. So let's start with the form filling. सबसे पहले guys आपको application ID ऐड कर देना है यहाँ पे. Then enter your password. Then enter the captcha and click on login. सो यस गाइज, आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट द न्यू कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन, आपके ऑथराइज मोबाइल नंबर पे OTP आ जाएगा. यू ऑल हैव टू एंटर दैट OTP. सो वंस यू एंटर द OTP, हियर यू कैन सी आपको एक यूनिक एप्लीकेशन ID, एक यूज़र नेम मिल जाता है. सो मेक श्योर कि आप वो कहीं पे नोट डाउन करके रख लो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो क्लिक हियर. सो यस, यू ऑल कैन स्टार्ट योर फॉर्म फिलिंग. सो यू ऑल कैन क्लिक हियर टू लॉग इन योर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. सो वंस वी क्लिक हियर, सो यस, न्यू कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद जो आपको एप्लीकेशन ID मिला था गाइज, यू ऑल हैव टू मेंशन दैट ID ओवर हियर. एंटर योर पासवर्ड, एंटर द कैप्चा एंड देन क्लिक ऑन लॉग इन. सो यस गाइज, मेक श्योर टू रीड ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर एडमिशन प्रोसेस. दीज आर दोज इंस्ट्रक्शन जो अभी हमने फॉर्म फिलिंग शुरू करने से पहले सारे डिस्कस किए थे. So yes guys, make sure to read this out. So yes, here it says you have successfully registered for admission to MCA 2023-24 and your application ID is also mentioned, and this application ID will be used throughout the admission process. Also guys, बाकी सारे important message देखने के लिए you all can click on view all and you all can see over here. यहाँ पे आपकी login details भी clearly mention है guys, and your application form status as well. As of now application form status is incomplete because हमने अब तक form fill नहीं किया है. So let's start with the form filling. So step 1 is fill the registration details, which we have already completed. Next, step 2 is fill the CET details. For this you'll have to click over here, select the scrutiny mode and accordingly select the scrutiny mode, e-scrutiny mode or the physical one. Totally depends upon your choice. Also guys, सिलेक्ट करने से पहले एक बार इंस्ट्रक्शन ज़रूर से पढ़ लेना. प्रीवियस जो हमने वीडियो बनाया था गाइस विद रिगार्ड्स टू द एडमिशन नोटिस, वी हैव क्लियरली डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर ई स्क्रूनिटी मोड एंड फिजिकल स्क्रूनिटी मोड. सो एज गाइस, वन बाय वन मेक श्योर यू रीड दिस एंड what all required guidelines are there. So accordingly select the mode as per your choice. So here we'll select the e scrutiny mode. We'll click on save and proceed. And here it says, have you appeared for Maharashtra MCA CET 2023? You'll have to click on yes, and then once you click yes, यहाँ पे और दो options open up हो जाता है, and the options are for your roll numbers and your registration number. So enter your roll number over here. Next, add your registration number. Next, click on proceed to next. So yes guys, you all can see your details, the candidate details over here, which includes your roll number, your registration number, your CET percentile. Next, click on proceed to next step. Now over here you can select your candidate or type. So candidates passing SSC or passing diploma in engineering or technology or pharmacy or diploma or vocation or any qualifying examination from a recognized institution in Maharashtra state. Candidate who is either domicile of Maharashtra or is born in Maharashtra. So yes guys, these candidates are type A candidates. So yes, you all can select candidate type A. For type B, candidates who does not fall in type A above, but who or whose father or mother is domiciled. If you are not domiciled but your parents are domiciled in the state of Maharashtra and they possesses domicile certificate, then you fall in the candidate type B. For candidate type C, a candidate who does not fall either in type A or B but whose father and mother is an employee of Government of India or Government of India undertaking and who has been posted and reported to duty in Maharashtra state before the last date of submitting your application form filling. So yes guys, form filling application form filling की last date हमने देख लिया था, which is I think 5th of July. So make sure आपके parents की posting इस date से पहले होनी चाहिए and they should be an employee of the Government of India. Then such type of candidate fall in type C. For candidate type D, a candidate who does not fall in any of the above type A, type B or type C but whose father or mother is an employee or retired employee of Government of Maharashtra. यहाँ पे था guys Government of India, but in type D your mother or father is an employee or retired employee of Government of Maharashtra or Government of Maharashtra undertaking. Then such type of candidates will fall in type D. For Maharashtra state candidate type E, candidates passing SSC or passing diploma in engineering or technology or pharmacy or diploma of vocation and also qualifying examination from a recognized institution located in Maharashtra Karnataka border area or from Maharashtra, residing in Maharashtra Karnataka border area and whose mother tongue is Marathi. Such type of candidate, guys, will fall in type E. Candidates who does not satisfy type A, type B, type C or type D or E and having an Indian nationality are eligible under the category of outside Maharashtra students. So such candidates will be considered as OMS students. Jammu and Kashmir Prime Minister Special Scholarship Scheme, which means Jammu and Kashmir cell deals with implementation of Prime Minister's Special Scholarship Scheme to Jammu and Kashmir students to pursue their studies outside the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So such candidates can click on this option. So over here we'll go with the Maharashtra state time candidate, which is type A. We'll click on save and proceed. Next you'll have to enter all your type details. So here we have already selected as Maharashtra state candidate type A. Also we have discussed about the other options as well. Here select the district from which candidates passing SSC or passing diploma in engineering and technology or pharmacy. So you can select the district. Select district from which candidate has passed appearing for graduation. So yes, once you select the district for your SSC or passing diploma or appearing for graduation, your home university is automatically detected. So our home university is Mumbai University. So over here, as your candidate type is A, you are required to scan and upload any one of the document given below. So whatever candidate type you fall in, guys, यहाँ पे आपके documents accordingly आपसे पूछे जाएंगे to upload. So yes, select your candidate type as per your documents and then all the required documents you all have to upload one by one. So as we fall in the candidate type A, we have to scan and upload any one of these documents, which is domicile certificate of a candidate indicating that he or she is domiciled in the state of Maharashtra, or birth certificate of the candidate indicating the place of birth in Maharashtra, or the school living certificate. So ऐसे ही गाइस आप जिस भी कैंडिडेट टाइप सिलेक्ट करोगे अकॉर्डिंगली आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने के लिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप में पूछा जाने वाला है. सो मेक श्योर कि आपके पास डॉक्यूमेंट्स रेडी रहे. सो वील अपलोड एनी वन ऑफ दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट select any option जो भी आप डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड करने वाले हो. Then you'll have to click on save and proceed. Next, category decision. You'll have to fill in your category details. Here it says, do you belong to general or reserve category? If you belong to general category, you all can click on general. If reserved, then you all can click on reserved. Once you click on general, guys, यहाँ पे कोई option open up नहीं होता है. The second option which opens up is, do you belong to economically weaker section? So if you all click on the reserve category, यहाँ पे और कुछ options open up हो जाता है, guys. Select the reserve category to which you belong. Select your reserve category, which is DT, VG, NTA, NTA 1, NTA 2, OBC, SBC, SC, ST. So accordingly select your reserve category. Also select reserve subcategory to which you belong. So once you select your reserve category, यहाँ पे और कुछ options open up हो जाता है, guys. You will have to select the subcategory from where you belong. You have to select that particular place. So once you do that, you all are good to go for the next step. Then as you all select your category type, guys, यहाँ पे और भी कुछ options available हो जाता है. So over here, for example, if we select the OBC category and we select the subcategory over here, यहाँ पे next step हमें पूछ रहे हैं select status of caste tribe validity certificate. So if you all have the certificate, you all can select available. If you all have applied but you have not received, then you all can click on applied but not received. If you don't have the certificate, you'll have to click on not available. So select accordingly. Then other documents which are required is select status of non-creamy layer certificate. So if you all have the certificate, click on available. If you have applied but not received, you all have to click on applied and but not received. If you all have the certificate, if you all don't have the certificate, click on not available. So ऐसे कुछ options है guys जो आपको one by one fill करने हैं. Also यहाँ पे कुछ important instructions भी दिए गए हैं guys with regards to the reserve category. So you are required to scan and upload caste tribe validity certificate at the time of the verification of the security center. यहाँ पे अगर आपके पास में डॉक्यूमेंट्स सर्टिफिकेट्स अवेलेबल नहीं है बट आपने अप्लाई किया हुआ है तो आपके पास एक्नॉलेजमेंट होगा, रिसीट होगा. सो येस, यू ऑल कैन as of now you all can use that, but at the time of the verification at the security center make sure कि आपके पास सारे documents available हो. Also you're required to scan and upload caste certificate clearly mentioning the category of the candidate and also the remarks that the caste is recognized as a backward class in the state of Maharashtra. So इस caste certificate with the caste validity और tribe certificate दोनों भी documents required है guys, which will act as a proof that you belong to so and so category. Next, you are required to scan and upload non-creamy layer certificate issued by the sub-divisional officer for the deputy collector officer or deputy collector of the district. So yes, all these documents are required at the time of the verification of the scrutiny center. So yes, we have already discussed about the reserved category details. So over here we'll be clicking on general and we'll proceed. Next, if you are a person with disability, if no, then you all can click on no. If yes, then you all can click on yes. If you click over here, you all can select the disability type and move ahead. Over here we'll be clicking on no. Next, certificate for Indian nationality of the candidate. Here it says the candidate must be an Indian national and you are required to scan and upload any one of the following document as a proof of nationality at the time of verification at the scrutiny center. So we'll upload any one of these documents. यहाँ पे जो documents हमें पूछे जा रहे हैं, they are certificate of Indian nationality of the candidate, issued by the Tehsildar executive magistrate. Next document is school living certificate indicating the nationality of the candidate or the place of birth in India. Next, your birth certificate mentioning your place of birth in India. So इन तीनों में से आप कोई भी एक डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट कर सकते हो. सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स गाइस डिफर करेंगे एज पर योर कैटेगरी. सो एज पर योर कैटेगरी मेक श्योर आपके पास आपका डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैंडी हो सो दैट यू ऑल कैन स्टार्ट सिलेक्टिंग एंड uploading your documents one by one. So over here we'll select the birth certificate and save and proceed. Now qualification details. Again यहाँ पे कुछ important instructions दी गई है with regards to your 10th and 12th marks details. Here it says fill your 10th and 12th or equivalent details carefully. Candidate passed 10th or 12th or equivalent examination will have to scan and upload their mark sheet at the time of the verification at the scrutiny center. यहाँ पे फ़िलहाल आपको आपके marks ऐड करने हैं, but during your document verification you will have to scan and upload all the required documents. But if we have selected the physical document verification, so yes, आपको center पे जाके आपके documents verify करवाने होंगे. In case of grades, you are required to provide the certificate stating the marks equivalent to the grade awarded by the respective institute university at the time of the verification of the scrutiny center. In case of range of marks given for the grade, the minimum marks will be considered. In case of candidates who don't have science and mathematics as subject at SSC shall enter marks obtained as 0 marks out of 0. These marks are not mandatory. So yes guys, all the candidates जिन्होंने 10th 12th में maths and science नहीं opt किया था, they can enter marks as 0 out of marks as 0. So for them these marks are not mandatory. So yes, according to your qualification, enter the marks obtained out of marks and percentage. So your SSC aggregate. Next, enter your SSC mathematics marks, science. तो जैसे जैसे guys आप subjects के marks add करेंगे, percentage automatically यहाँ पे convert हो जाएगा आपका. Next, SSC English. Next, your 12th HSC diploma aggregate marks. Next, fill in your graduation marks details. Again यहाँ पे कुछ important instructions दी गई है guys. Fill your graduation examinations details carefully. Candidates past graduation examination will have to scan and upload their mark sheet at the time of the verification at scrutiny center and must satisfy the eligibility criteria as well. If not satisfied the eligibility criteria, if found any errors, guys, he or she will be considered as not eligible. So make sure guys form filling आप carefully कर रहे हो step by step. Take your time and fill the form very carefully. And about your graduation mark sheet, you'll have to scan and upload your mark sheet at the time of the verification. And in case of grades, guys, आपको एक conversion certificate prepare करना होगा so that your grades are converted into marks and accordingly you all can make a conversion certificate. Conversion certificate का भी format guys CT Cell की official website पे दिया गया है. We have also made a video with regards to this. So yes, you all can check that video out as well. So yes, add your graduation marks, select your graduation stream, your graduation university, place of passing appearing of graduation. If India, then click on India. So yes guys, once you select your graduation university, here I have selected Mumbai University, so yes, I can only select India. Next, graduation type, was it full-time, part-time or distance education, so select accordingly. Graduation passing year, your graduation status, past or appearing. If appearing, you all can click on appearing. If past, you all can click on past. And if you all click on past, यहाँ पे एक और option open हो जाता है guys, graduation marks types, whether it was in the percentage or CGPA. So if you all click on percentage, यहाँ पे again graduation aggregate marks, यहाँ पे आपको आपके marks ऐड करने हैं and out of marks enter करना है and your percentage will be automatically detected. If you are clicking on CGPA, then again CGPA marks obtained यहाँ पे आपको enter करना है, out of marks enter करना है and your percentage. And if you are clicking on appearing, so no further options will be open because अभी तक आपका रिजल्ट नहीं आया होगा. So yes, appearing इसलिए आपने चूज़ किया है, बट अगर आप पास चूज़ करते हैं, so again दो ऑप्शन ओपन अप हो जाता है, परसेंटेज और यू कैन सिलेक्ट द CGPA. नेक्स्ट, मैथमेटिक्स एट 12th HSC or higher level. If you have studied mathematics at 12th HSC or higher level, then you all can click this option. If no, then you all can click on no. But if you all click on 12th, that yes you have studied, यहाँ पे option open up हो जाता है guys, subject named, marks obtained, marks out of and percentage. So enter your subject and accordingly enter your marks detail as well. So once done, we'll click on save and proceed. Now you'll have to fill your personal details. So again guys, make sure ये बहुत crucial step है, आप यहाँ पे सारी details properly fill करो. Also guys, make sure to check all the details and verify all the details. It is the sole responsibility of the students, and yes, scrutiny center will also check and verify all the details with regards to your name entered for the cap round. And yes, all these details they'll be getting from Maharashtra MCA CET data with the candidate uploaded documents. So yes, यहाँ पे आपको आपका name add कर देना है guys. Enter as per the HSC mark sheet. You'll have to enter your mother's name over here. Date of birth add कर लेना है guys. Again confirm your date of birth. Select your gender. If you are an orphan, you'll have to click on yes. If no, then click on no. But if you'll click on yes, again यहाँ पे कुछ instructions open up हो जाती है guys. Here it says only Maharashtra state candidates are eligible for these seats. For all the orphan seats, only Maharashtra state candidate students are eligible. You are required to scan and upload Performa U for orphan candidates by filling the necessary details, and you all can check the Performa U by clicking on this link. So yes guys, all the students, those who are orphan, you all can select this option and you all will be eligible for your required seats. Over here we'll click on no. Then we'll have to add the annual family income. Select your religion, select your mother tongue. Next, here it says do you belong to minority? If yes, then click on yes. If you all click on yes, यहाँ पे आपका minority status पूछा जाता है guys. For linguistic minority, you all can accordingly select the linguistic minority over here from these options. So over here we'll click on no. Your next option is do you want to apply for tuition fee waiver scheme seats? If yes, then you have to click on yes. Again there are some instructions over here. Here it says eligible Maharashtra state candidates will having their parents' annual income from all sources which is less than 8 lakh. Only these students is eligible for the TFWS seats. You are required to submit an income certificate of parents issued by the competent authority of government mentioning the family income which is below 8 lakh rupees, and it should be valid till 31st March 2023 at the time of verification at scrutiny center. So these are the two important instructions which needs to be fulfilled if you all want to apply for the TFWS scheme. So over here we'll click on no. Next, add in your address, whether your permanent address is in urban or rural area, then you all can select accordingly. Mention your address over here. Next, add in your details. Next, select the state, district, select your taluka, select village or city. Over here your contact details, so your mobile number is already mentioned over here, add any alternate mobile number. Next, your email ID is already added over here. You can even add a telephone number, it's optional. Next, we'll click on save and proceed. Now over here you all have to upload your photograph with a signature. Again guys, यहाँ पे कुछ important instructions दी गई है. Here it says recent color photo with signature of candidate taken within last 3 months. So आपका फोटो recent होना चाहिए गाइज, एकदम ही ज़्यादा पुराना फोटो यहाँ पे अपलोड मत कर देना जो कि क्लियर और विजिबल ना हो. फोटोग्राफ must be 3.5 centimeter in width and 4.5 centimeter with height without border. Photograph has to be taken with full face without headgear unless the applicant habitually wears a headgear in accordance with his or her racial religious custom, but the headgear should not hide the applicant features. So yes guys, even if you are wearing a headgear, make sure that your face and features are clearly visible. Also guys, बाकी सारी भी details यहाँ पे mention है, एक बार read कर लेना guys. Also guys, the photo which I will be uploading should be in a JPG, GIF or a PNG file. So over here we'll click on choose file. So over here we'll upload our photograph. Okay, so if you all want to retake the same photo, you all can retake it, but we'll just click on upload photo. So over here we'll click on save and proceed. Now here it says that upload the documents, and यहाँ पे guys आपका application और यूज़र नेम भी mention होगा. यहाँ पे again कुछ important instructions available है guys. Upload scanned documents. Please click on submit button after uploading all your scanned documents to view printable application form. So yes guys, सारे documents आपको scanned upload करने हैं, and yes once you upload the documents, click on the submit button as well. Upload the documents in JPG or PNG or PDF format. Minimum 150 dpi resolution. File size should be up to 1 MB. Right tick indicates document uploaded by the candidate, and the wrong tick indicates documents not uploaded by the candidates. Also college school leaving certificate, transfer certificate, other passing qualifying examination is not mandatory to upload, but if it is selected for minority document purpose, then it is mandatory. Also, if candidate do not possesses the document, the document scrutiny center shall select the document as non-submitted or non-accepted and confirm the candidate as well. Also, candidate need to submit this document at the time of admission while institute reporting. So make sure guys, documents को लेके डिले बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. डॉक्यूमेंट्स को लेके यहाँ सारी चीज़ें बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट और डिसिप्लिन वे में रहने वाली है. सो उसको लेके बिल्कुल भी डिले मत करना. मेक श्योर आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपके पास रेडी हो. इसलिए हमने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स के वीडियो सबसे पहले कवर किए थे गाइज रजिस्ट्रेशन शुरू होने से पहले. सो जिन भी स्टूडेंट्स के पास रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनवा सके. सो मेक श्योर आपके पास सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स रेडी होने चाहिए गाइज. सो ओवर हियर लिस्ट ऑफ documents required to be uploaded. So one by one we'll upload all the documents. Statement of marks obtained at 10th or its equivalent examination. So once you upload the documents, here you can see the status shows a green tick, which means the documents is uploaded, and if you all want to view, you all can click on view and you all can check over here the document which you have uploaded. Next we'll do the same for the other documents as well. We'll start uploading the documents one by one. Next document is 12th mark sheet, birth certificate. Guys, ये documents differ करेगा because guys this document might differ from candidate to candidate because आप अपनी category candidate type select करने वाले हो. So yes, make sure कि आपके पास आपके सारे documents ready रहे इस समय upload करने के लिए at this stage. So yes, once done with uploading all the documents, we'll click on submit and here you go. This is the printable application form. You all can even print this application form. आपकी सारी डिटेल्स यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है गाइस. मेक श्योर दैट ये एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आपके पास टिल दी एंड रहे बिकॉज एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म बहुत काम आने वाला है. मेक श्योर टू टेक अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. एंड ये एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म गाइस आपके सारे इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ आप एक ही साथ ये फाइल में रख लेना सो दैट सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको एक साथ काम आने वाले हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ योर डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. So yes guys, that was it for this form filling video. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you all will fill your form without any errors. Still guys, notification instructions जो भी आपको दिए गए हैं, take your good time and read the instruction and guidelines carefully twice or thrice before the form filling and then आप form filling करना start करना. ऑल्सो गाइस, अगर फॉर्म फिलिंग को लेकर कोई डाउट एंड क्वेरी है, यू ऑल कैन डेफिनेटली कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, या आप हमें नीचे दिए गए कैप राउंड के नंबर पे भी कॉल करके कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट. with the form filling process. Also guys, with regards to the podcast, we have also mentioned a Google form link in the description. All the students who have cleared MCA CET can definitely join us for the podcast series where we have a conversation about their preparation strategy, about their exam writing experience. Yes guys, बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन होगा आपका हमारे मेंटर्स के साथ. सो यस गाइज, यू ऑल कैन जॉइन अस फॉर द पॉडकास्ट सीरीज एज वेल. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है गाइज. मेक श्योर दैट यू फिल आउट द फॉर्म एंड अ टीम विल गेट back to you with your podcast schedule. So yes guys, that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and in case of any doubt and query, feel free to reach out to us. Also guys, ऐसे ही सारे अपडेट्स के वीडियो, इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस देखने के लिए सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल पे बने रहिए हमारे साथ मेन्यूअर एमसीए एंट्रेंस पे. And until then guys, I will see you in the next video.